The Old Man with His Three Sons. The Lesson of the Bundle of Sticks. Once upon a time, there was an old man who lived in a village with his 3 sons. Although his 3 sons were hard workers, they quarreled all the time. The old man tried to unite them but failed. Months passed by, and the old man became sick. He asked his sons to remain united, but they failed to listen to him. At that moment, the old man decided to teach them a lesson, to forget their differences and come together in unity. The old man summoned his sons, then proceeded to tell them, "I will provide you with a bundle of sticks. Separate each stick, and then break each into 2. The one who finishes first will be rewarded more than the others." And so the sons agreed. The old man provided them with a bundle of 10 sticks each, and then asked the sons to break each stick into pieces. The sons broke the sticks within minutes, then proceeded to quarrel among themselves again. The old man said, "My dear sons, the game is not yet over. I will now give you another bundle of sticks. Only this time, you will have to break them together as a bundle, not separately." The sons readily agreed and then tried to break the bundle. Despite trying their best, they could not break the sticks. The sons told their father of their failure. The old man said, "My dear sons, see, breaking every single stick individually was easy for you, but breaking them in a bundle, you could not do. By staying united, nobody can harm you. If you continue to quarrel, then anyone can quickly defeat you." After learning their lesson, the 3 sons realized the importance of unity and promised to remain united forever. The old man was pleased with their realization and prayed for their success. The sons kept their promise and started working together, which led to their success in their respective fields. They also passed down the lesson of the bundle of sticks to their children and grandchildren, who continued to follow their example. The story teaches us the importance of unity and how working together can lead to success. It also reminds us that differences can be resolved through understanding and compromise.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.